Mathematics class, trigonometric ratios, part 11. Let us solve some more problems from the textbook. Solved problem. Prove that sine square 52.5 degrees minus sine square 22.5 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Solution. So LHS sine square 52.5 minus sine square 22.5 sine square A minus sine square B. This is in the form of sine square A minus sine square B. And we know the answer sine A plus B into sine A minus B. So this is the formula we use for it. Here A is 52.5, B is 22.5. Therefore, A 52.5, B 22.5. Sine A plus B 52.5 plus 22.5 and sine A minus B 52.5 minus 22.5. 52 minus 22.5 sine plus both plus 50 plus 20, 70, 2.5, 75. This is sine 75 degrees and 50 minus 20, 30, sine 30 degrees. We know so sine 75 how to find sine A plus B 45 plus 30. Expand, you will get already we did in previous class, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. I am writing direct root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Otherwise, we can do again. This you can write sine 45 plus 30 and sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Sine A plus B, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B into 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 cos 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This is root 3 into 1 by 2 root 2 1 by 2 root 2. So this is equal to taking LCM 2 root 2 root 3 plus 1 into 1 by 2. So that is equal to multiplying this to 4 root 2, which is the required answer. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it is proved. Now let us take up one more problem from the exercise from exercise 6C, fifth question, first bit. Sin square 82 and of sin square 82 and of minus sin square 22 and of same model. The question is in the form of sin square A minus sin square B sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So using this formula, you can write sin A plus B 82 and of plus 22 and of into sin A minus B 82 and of minus 22 and of. So this is equal to sin 80 plus 20, 100, 200, 205, 105, 80 minus 20, 60. This is sin 60. Sin 105 can be written as 60 plus 45. 60 plus 45. Sin 60 value is √3 by 2. Sin A plus B, expand this by using sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. This is sin A plus B and into 3 by 2. So this is in the form of sin A plus B using that formula. Now substituting the values, writing the value, sin 60 is √3 by 2, cos 45 1 by √2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by √2 into √3 by 2, multiplying √3 into 1, 2 into √2, 1 into 1, 2 into √2. Into √3 by 2. Taking LCM, 2 √2 and √3 plus 1 into √3 by 2. So multiplying with √2, √3 into √3, 3, 1 into √3, 2 into 2, 4 √2. So this is the value. Next, let us do one more problem. The same question. Fifth, second bit. Same. Evaluate. Cos square 112 and half. Minus sin square 52 and half. The question is in the form of cos square A minus sin square B. This is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Using this formula, we can write it as, here A is 112 and half. So this is equal to cos 112 and half plus 52 and half. And cos 112 and half minus 52 and half. Cos A plus B and cos A minus B. Adding this 100, 10, 51, 65. This is 110 minus 50, 60. So 165 can be written as cos 180 minus 15 cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta cos 180 minus theta since cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, it is in second quadrant, cos is minus, so minus cos 15. Cos 15 can be written as 45 minus 30 or 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 and cos 60. Using this, A minus cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, cos 60 value is 1 by 2. I'm writing 1 by 2 beginning. Substituting cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by 2 root 2, root 3 by 2 root 2. This is equal to minus 1 by 2 inside bracket taking LCM and multiplying this is minus of 1 plus root 3 by 2 into 2, 4 root 2. So this is the value. Let us find maximum and minimum values of the trigonometric expression. Sixth question. First bit. Find the minimum and maximum values of minimum and maximum values of first one 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. 3 cos x 4 sin x. Second bit sin 2x minus cos 2x 3 sin x 4 cos x. Let us take up first one. 3 cos x plus 4 sin x. A sin x plus b cos x. A sin x plus b cos x plus c minimum value is c minus a square plus b square, maximum c plus under root a square plus b square. So this is the formula for the trigonometric expression. Now, a value, sin x coefficient is 4. So don't forget, a is the coefficient of sin x, even though it is in second term. You take a, the sin coefficient, b cos coefficient, and c is the constant. Here there is no constant, its value is 0. Now let us find out a square plus b square value. 4 square plus b square 16 plus 9, that is equal to root 25, that is 5. So now the minimum value is c minus a square plus b square. Here c value is 0 minus a under root a square b square is 5. Minimum value is 5 and maximum value c plus under root a square plus b square, that is 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. So minimum value is -5, maximum value is 5 for the trigonometric expression. Now for second bit, sin 2x minus cos 2x. Sin 2x minus 2x. So here sin coefficient A is 1, cos coefficient B is -1, and constant term is 0. Now find a square minus b square under root a square plus b square is 1 square plus minus 1 square is 1 plus 1, that is root 2. 1 plus 1 is root 2. Now minimum value is c minus under root a square plus b square, that is c value 0. So 0 minus root 2, that is minus root 2. And maximum value c plus, that is 0 plus root 2, root 2. Third bit, 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. So here a value is 3, b value -4, c value 0. Find under root a square b square. A square 3 square, b square minus 4 square. 9 plus minus 4 square plus 16. Root 25, that is 5. Now minimum value is c minus a square under root a square b square, c value 0 minus 5, and maximum value c plus under root a square plus b square, 0 plus 5, that is maximum value is 5, minimum value is -5. So finding minimum and maximum values for a given trigonometric equation. Now let us take one more problem. Seventh problem. Find the range of trigonometric expression. Find the range of the first bit, 7 cos x minus 24 sin x. 7 cos x minus 24 sin x. 13 cos x plus 3 root 3 sin x minus 4. The first bit, 7 cos x minus 24 sin x. Comparing this with a sin x plus b cos x, a value -24 sin x quotient, b value is 7, c value is 0. Now let us find under root a square plus b square. So this is -24 square plus 7 square, that is 24 square is 576. This is 49, 7 square. 625, that is 25 root 625 is 25. Now range of a sin x plus b cos x plus c is c minus a square plus b square c plus under root a square plus b square. So this is the range. Almost similar to minimum maximum. Left side value is minimum, right side value is maximum. So now range c value 0 minus 25, 0 plus 25, that is minus 25 plus 25. So this is the range. 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5 is there. Okay, now let us take c value also there. Yes, 5. So c value is 5. Okay. Here 5 minus 25, 5 plus 25. 5 minus 25 is minus 20. 5 plus 25 is 30. So the range is minus 20 and 30. So this is the range. Now let us take up second bit. 13 cos x plus 3 root 3 sin x minus 4. Here a is 3 root 3 sin x quotient, b cos x quotient is 13 and constant is minus 4. Now let us find under root a square b square. A square plus b square value 3 root 3 square plus 13 square. 3 square 9, 9 into 3 27, 169. So this is 196. That is root 196 is 14. Now range is equal to c minus under root a square b square c plus root a square b square. So this is the range. Substituting Vyapti. C value is minus 4 minus under root a square b square value is 14 minus 4 plus 14 minus 14 4 minus 18 14 minus 4 is 10 minus 18 plus 10. So this is the range and minimum maximum. Almost two type problems are same. If it is range, you write in brackets lowest value and highest minimum value, maximum value. We express in brackets. So where only if it is minimum and maximum, we write separate minimum value and maximum value. Okay, thank you for watching this video. So keep watching all the videos. Do subscribe this channel and press the bell button to get notifications.